Last year had been very difficult for all of us. Lives lost, economies crushed. No one was exempted. This year, our health is still being challenged by an enemy we cannot see. We all play host for assorted bugs that are responsible for respiratory infections. These opportunistic viruses lurk, waiting for our body defenses to drop. In this video, you will learn of a natural way to strengthen your lungs to help you fight off different infections. So stick with me until the end of this video so you will know more about this simple, delicious, and healthy recipe, know about the 4 superfoods for lung health, and when to take it best. Greetings again to everyone. This is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy. If you're new here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below so you will be a part of our community and you will receive weekly health videos, usually on a weekend, that will benefit our beloved seniors, you and your family. Most of us will not think about the importance of our lungs, not until we experience a breathing difficulty. Your lungs provide your body with oxygen and keep all the other organs functioning. When your lungs are affected, it impairs one's quality of life and can even prematurely shorten life itself. Now more than ever that health is indeed our wealth, if you have an extra money to spare, please buy yourself some juicer. It doesn't have to be expensive so long as it does the work. Depending on what is more accessible and what is more affordable in your place, you can modify the ratio of the juice that I will be telling you today. What is important is that you incorporate as much as possible the 4 super fruits and vegetables that will be used to strengthen your lungs naturally. Apples. It is called the king of fruits. It is an all-around health food. Apples are anti-carcinogenic and they are also antiviral. Most of the vitamin C found in apples are found under the skin, which has 5 times more as compared to the rest of the apple. That's why peeling them might not be a good idea after all. If you can buy organic apples near your place, it would be the best one. Besides the vitamin C content of apples, a study published in the pharmaceutical journal estimated an increase of 138 ml of forced expiratory volume in persons who consume at least 5 or more apples a week. Carrots. When it comes to lung disease, reducing inflammation is very important because inflammation within the airways is usually the reason why people have breathing difficulty, including that of COVID-19. The carotenoids found in carrots would help in the maintenance of mucous membranes, which will help with the protection and healing of your lung cells. The beta-carotene found in carrots have also been proven to protect the lungs as people age. Pineapples. Bromelain is a group of enzymes found in pineapple juice and pineapple stem. Besides the capacity of bromelain to help you with pain caused by arthritis, do you know that bromelain is also a broad-spectrum antiviral? Previous studies have demonstrated that bromelain can be utilized as anti-inflammation and for pain because it is well absorbed by the body. The result of recent studies have suggested that bromelain can be used to inhibit SARS-CoV-2 infection. Bromelain may also help with other respiratory infections and can help you break down mucus. Moringa. Do you know that moringa is otherwise known as the miracle tree, the tree of life or mother's milk? It is one of the most nutrient-dense plants in the planet, and it is increasingly gaining popularity to help fight malnutrition. Moringa oleifera is otherwise known as the miracle tree because almost all its parts can be used as a nutritional and for pharmacologic purposes. The leaves of moringa are found to contain protein. It actually also has greater vitamin C content than that of citrus fruits. It has B vitamins, it has vitamin A, and it even has magnesium. Moringa leaves were also found to have high antioxidant property. The plant also contains flavonoid quercetin, which is now suggested and recommended for the natural prevention and treatment of COVID-19. Here is a recipe: 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 piece apple, 1 cup fresh pineapple, 1/4 cup moringa, and then you juice everything, stir, and drink it in an empty stomach before you take your breakfast. Again, you can adjust the ratio of the fruits and vegetables to your own liking since these are all natural. What is important is for you to include these 4 superfruits and vegetables as much as possible. This is a simple, delicious, and easy way to naturally strengthen your lungs. Please share this video to your friends and family, and please don't forget to click the like button if you find this video helpful. This is again Doc Cherry. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you.